I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We have a pretty calm pattern setting up right now until we get into the weekend. Then we're going to pull in some wet weather. But that system's going to be coming from the south, which is going to bring in some warmer temperatures as we go into the weekend. So take a look at the setup right now. A lot of cloud cover during the day tomorrow. And then we're going to wait for a weakening system that's basically sitting right in through here. That little weakening system is going to be the one that arrives with a little bit of a drizzle mix, possibly even some wet snow mixing in as we go through the morning until about midday on Friday. And then you take a look at the wider view here. Not a lot going on. There is a pretty windy and strong system out in toward Atlantic Canada, producing some fierce winds, but also keeping temperatures relatively mild. The only cool air that you see is across northern portions of Manitoba and also in through parts of Saskatchewan. And then once you make your way up in toward Nunavut, you can see that little pocket of colder air. But everything's relatively mild. Jet stream pattern does dive a little bit to the south, but it's not too intense, where we're seeing a big plunge of colder air coming through. So it's going to be cloudy during the day tomorrow. Lighter winds expected, and we're going to be seeing the next weather maker coming our way really Friday, but that one's not going to do much outside of a couple of wet snowflakes here and there. 0 is how we start the day tomorrow. Wind chill in the morning will be close to -4 as we go through midday. Temperatures will already warm up to about 3 degrees, and that'll be our daytime high likely. West wind expected about 15 to 25 kilometers per hour. So insulated jacket, gloves during the day tomorrow. You don't need to worry about any precipitation, really. We're looking at 2 degrees by the late afternoon. And then when you look at the 7-day forecast, we'll bring in that little bit of drizzle there on Friday. That's not really going to be a washout. Saturday, temperatures are going to warm up. Rain arrives into the evening. Soggy Sunday on the way, but we could get up to 10 degrees by the weekend. And then we'll start to see a few flurries into the morning, wet flurries for Monday, warming up to about 4 degrees. And then once we get into the middle part of next week, we'll keep an eye on a Tuesday potential snowmaker, and we'll be back below that seasonal mark as we go through the middle part of the week. And the pattern looks to be cooler than average as we go through the first part of December.